Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn. Welcome to my channel. Please look down below, make sure you're subscribed, and please give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me. Today I'm going to be going over some makeup that Focallure sent to me, and I'm super excited. I actually filmed this video last week, but for certain reasons I was like, I am not even gonna edit this. I'm not putting it up. It had nothing to do with the makeup. Anyways, here I am again, so I can kind of give a better impression anyways, because I wore all of this that day, and I haven't really been wearing makeup a lot lately with everything that's been going on, but a couple of times I threw some concealer on my eye and just kind of did an eyeshadow look just to kind of play around with this palette. But anyways, this palette is the Paris palette, and that packaging is so cute. So cute. And here are the shades, and you do get a pretty nice mirror. But yeah, I love it. I love the pop of yellow and the pop of green. I actually did like a Mardi Gras type inspired look the other day, and it was really cool. First off, I do want to say I really enjoy this palette. I will give y'all a couple of swatches real quick before we get started. Really pretty. All right, so let's just get into it. As always, if you've been watching my channel, you know I do this. If the palette has a super light shade, I'll go in with it. So I'm gonna go in with that one, and I'm gonna use this to put all over my lid. Like I said, if a palette does have it, I like to do this to lighten the lid a little bit, get out any creases that have obviously worked its way in there, and yeah, just make sure it's good and set. That is a huge crease going on. You know what I just realized? I'm so mad at myself. I already put highlighter on. And I have a highlighter that they sent me. I'll add it too. I'll just be extra bam, and I'll swatch it for y'all. It is gorgeous. Anyways, I'll get to that in just a second. My stomach is over here, y'all, making noises as always. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna go in with that shade right there. And I did learn the hard way that it is very pigmented, so I'm just going in super lightly and working that in the crease. Like I said, it's very pigmented, but it does blend out super easily. My stomach, I'm sorry y'all. But this is like the lightest shade to go in with for a transition shade. So who is ready for fall? Because I know I am so ready. I hate it being hot outside. Fall is literally my favorite season. I love fall scented candles and sweaters and leaves falling and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go in with a little bit denser of a brush. That one needs to be washed. I'm gonna go in with a little bit denser of a brush and use that same shadow and go a little bit darker in the crease with it. In that outer V. I love this brush. This is the Morphe M433 brush, and I just love it because it's fluffy, but it's more flat. That makes sense. Anyways, just one of my favorite brushes. All right, with that same brush, I'm gonna go in with that shade right there and work that in the outer corner just a hair. And I have a blush from them that I got a while back. I could have used that too. I'm sorry, y'all. We've got so much to do today, and it has just been a really bad week. I went to the emergency room earlier this week. I had my first migraine, and it hurts so bad, and I've been to the doctor 2 times this week, and anyways. I'm actually going to go in with this highlighter. It's so pretty, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone, and then I'll swatch it for y'all because it is so pretty. And this is Golden Crystal. It's the name of it. And I'll have their website in the description box. I got to pick out what stuff are 2 lipsticks, 1 eyeshadow palette, and a highlighter. And I just fell in love with the packaging on the highlighter and the eyeshadow palette. Well, I fell in love with that. That is just so cute to me. Okay, I'm going to use that first brush and just kind of make sure those two are all that's blended together up there. I am loving the way these colors blend. But let me swatch. Like, y'all see that? It is so pretty. I want to add a little bit of that purple in like the middle. I don't know if it's going to show up over that brown or not, but we're going to see. Okay, yeah. It shows up just enough. Oh, that is really cool. Now I'm gonna go in with that shade right there, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Oh my. Okay, I've swatched this one, but I haven't used this one on my lid yet. That is so pretty. And there's like glitter in it, so if you don't like glitter, I don't recommend this. And if y'all know me personally, then you know I don't usually use glitter like ever because my eyes get so aggravated so easily. But I have been using these shades and I haven't been having any problems with the glitter, so that is, oh my gosh. Even if I did have problems, like, it is so worth it. That is so pretty. I'm actually really digging the way that did. I'm gonna put some of that in the inner corner. I really, really, really love this palette. Like I said, I have done some looks just throwing, sorry, I'm just kind of blending right here. Throwing some concealer on my eye, like before I wash my face. And just so I can play with it some. And I've really been enjoying it. And this highlighter, like you saw, is just so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Anyways, and they sent over these 2 lippies. One is Rose Taupe. And this one is Chestnut. They are both super pretty. But today I'm going to use Chestnut. Okay. Oh, I was about to say that is it for this makeup look, and it's not. Alright, I'm gonna do my eyeliner and my mascara off camera quick, and I'll be right back. And trying to get my foot situated. Anyways, if there's a question about anything else I'm wearing, please feel free to comment down below and ask me. Ask me anything. I'm an open book. But yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, this is the final look. My final thoughts on all of this, or all three of these, is a thumbs up. I'm thankful they sent it over for me to try. Yeah, if you haven't checked them out, I highly recommend checking them out. Like I said, I'll have their link in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!